Hello, so today I decided that I'm going to do a voiceover for this. I decided on this particular morning that I was going to show you how I did my eyebrows, which, Lord, oh Lord, basically, me wing my eyebrow every day. So me say, all right, since me I got do this, let me do my eyebrow and show no, but basically I really me dress me want to not see because I think I was looking pretty cute that day. Anyway, let me start with this thing. So me draw on it so and go down so. And draw on the one that goes so. And me go down so floops, floops, floops. This is the sound effect of my eyebrow pencil. Drawing on my eye floops. And I floops, floops, when it go up on the top of a floops, 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 floops. All right. All right, so I'm use my hand wipe off the little something over there, so I'm not sure if it'll work, but as me say, something there scratch me, so me itch me, so me scratch my finger. And then me I think about the bone and my eyebrow and see how it'll work. Anyway, so I go up close, be itching and go on my face too. All right. Oh, my bad pants sound effect, you know. Flush, flush, flush. All right. So yes, boom. Okay. And then may I show now my pencil may I use, right? And then it's a LA colors. And I may I show you now, boom, take it off, top part triangle. But it not match my color, so it never work. It scam me. Bottom part may I use. Yes, so at least it work out. Me never waste my money. People them scam me basically. I say, yes, that's your color. That's your color. Me go on my yard. Me blur it not my color, same tone as my skin. So you can imagine me I walk around, defeat the whole point. Anyways, here we go. All right. Anybody want to hire me if you do sound effects? Yes, they drop in my eye, may I show you, say boom. Yeah. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, so I just flex my face a while ago and just step back a little and I just you smell that? Smell nice and fat. Yeah, smell your Armani Mania. Smell quite lovely. Sloop, 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 sloop. Sloop, 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 sloop. Alright, alright. Wipe it off so. Again, I don't know if that working, but to me, I arch my eyebrow a little bit more. I arch my eyebrow a little bit more. Alright, see? Alright, boom. Alright, smell like my what you see. I like gold. Nobody want to get my gold watch and I can just put it out there in the universe. Anyway, back to my eyebrows. So, yeah. I did say something about dark brown. I just read my own lips. So, dark brown eyebrow pencil I use because it matches my tone better and I look too dark and I look too light. Yeah. So, I did there now I do and thing and I go so whoops, whoops, sloops, sloops. Come down. And I talk some more. I'm like a young Ross. Raising my eyebrow, show you. Can you imagine if me there raise my forehead? Disturbing. So, that's the only thing that I do. I don't wear foundation or anything like that. Just I go and cut and go through. Wipe. Oh, boom. Alright. I like that. Yeah, it not look tree bad today. Yeah, so apparently today my eyebrow they agree with me. Yes, so me just I show and say, it not look tree bad, it not look tree bad. Alright, so me I go on and I say boom. Let's go get some better lighting because this one kinda boom. Look there. See it? So my eyebrows don't look tree bad at all. As soon as I put on my mascara and them something here so you can see the better, you know, how it looks a little bit more. My face is alive. So let's see. Oh, there you go. Look at me. Young Ross with eyebrows and mascara. I like it. I like it. Yeah. Yes, yes. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Tell your friends about me.